At ayan na nga ulit mga kaibigan, magandang araw po ulit sa inyo mga kababayan ko diyan sa Pilipinas, sa ibang bansa kahit nasa ang sulok man kayo ng mundo. Sana nasa mabuti kayong kalagayan, nakapunta ulit tayo ngayon sa sa panibago nating video, which is ang pag-uusapan naman natin itong round 2 ng impeachment ni VP Sara. Mukhang umiinit ang kaganapan diyan sa Senado. So isa ito sa mga bagay na pag-uusapan natin. Okay? So ano na agad, wala na paligoy-ligoy na. Punta na agad tayo doon sa nangyayaring impeachment. Tingnan natin ang ating mga punto de vista kung anong masasabi natin dito sa sa mga nangyari. Okay? Tanggalin na natin ang Yun. Okay, larga tayo.
Thank you so much, Mr. Witness. Now, in what particular portion of the subject video?
Ito by the way nga pala para masundan lang natin yung usapan is ito yung naglabas ng witness itong kampo nila Luistro. Itong witness na to ay isang pagkakaalam ko isang NBI agent, more on siya, familiarize siya sa mga sa case ni VP Sara. Sila yung nag-iimbestiga. So kaya siya yung pinatawag. So ang ginagawa nila ngayon ay authentication ng mga documents. Ayan, ito nagtatanong na to is isang abogado sa kampo nila Luistro. Kakalam ko ang apelyido niya is Ligutan. Okay? Go tayo.
Did the respondent utter that she already contracted a person to kill the president, the first lady, and the former speaker of the House of Representatives?
Are you done?
Objection?
Objection, Your Honor.
Nagulat
Kindly state objection, Counsel.
Nagulat siya, may objection. Okay, pakinggan natin kung anong objection ni Kuya.
Your Honor, the question is misleading. There was no mention
Okay.
anywhere before that the video mentioned that the killing of the president.
To kill.
Yeah, there's no mention in any testimony earlier. There's no mention that video.
Your Honor, again, with all respect, the records will bear me out. Bases have been more than complied with. This witness mentioned many times over that the subject of the investigation is the statement of the Vice President that she already contracted a person to kill the President, the First Lady, and the former Speaker. There's no basis for the objection, Your Honor, please.
Your Honor, may I ask for a readback? He was the only party who said that, Your Honor, not
Kindly
the...
use the third party in referring to opposing counsel.
Yes, Your Honor.
If I may, Your Honor.
May I ask, Your Honor, for a...
Let the counsel for defense finish his statement.
May I ask, Your Honor, for a reading of the transcript, as the witness, to my recollection, never mentioned that the Vice President did those things.
All right. If I may, Your Honor, please.
Counsel, kindly lay the basis.
Yes, Your Honor, please. Now, Mr. Witness, you said that your office, the NBI, conducted an investigation for a statement made by the Vice President noong Nobyembre 23, taong 2024. Naalala mo yun?
Objection, Your Honor.
Oh.
What is the basis of the objection?
Your Honor, it's leading.
Your Honor, please, if I may, Your Honor,
Do
please.
you remember? Leading, Your Honor.
If I may, Your Honor, please, I'm just giving into what the defense wants. The record will bear me out. This witness mentioned so many times over that he investigated the statement of the Vice President uttering that she already contracted a person. The whole nation is listening.
The chair will
Your
make
Honor,
a ruling.
so
The
many
objection-
words leading.
The chair will make a ruling. The objection is overruled earlier.
Objections.
Chair noted, I have it in my notes, that the question was propounded by counsel with respect to the 11/23/24 incident that was the subject matter of a digital forensic examination by the witness pertaining to the former vice president. That was the instance, if the counsel will recall, that counsel for the prosecutors asked the witness if he knew who the vice president was. So the objection is overruled. Witness may answer.
Your Honor, may I state for the record, my objection is on the part of the question where he said that the vice president hired someone to kill the president, the first lady, and the speaker of the house, not on the identification of the vice president.
Noted. Court already made a ruling. Witness will answer.
Mr. Witness, naalala mo ba yung tanong?
Can you repeat the question,
Okay
sir?
now.
Kalimutan na.
Kindly repeat the question, counsel.
In what particular portion of the subject video in that online media conference of the Vice President
Okay.
did she utter that she already contracted a person to kill the President, the First Lady, the former Speaker? In what portion?
Objection, Your Honor.
Objection.
Your Honor, this honorable court already ruled on this question. The discussion later on was on
Alagay, asar talo tong abogado nila Luistro. Naging bawat mag-object. Sige, malagbagin mo. O papormahin. Tama yan. Panindigan mo kung ano yung pinaglalaban mo.
on the leading question made by the prosecutor. If you recall, Your Honor, this honorable court said, prosecutor, please lay the foundation, the basis for your question.
Your Honor, please, if I make a response.
The presiding officer will ask the witness, Mr. Witness, out of the 2 or more so hours of video that you downloaded, do you know, if at all, the timestamp that pertains to any statements made by the Vice President pertaining to any of the allegations in the articles of impeachment, particularly Article 4, the subject matter of this case, in relation to alleged threats made by her in that video?
Yes, Your Honor, but may I refer to my investigator's note, Your Honor?
You may do so. Senator Cayetano,
Mr. Presiding Officer,
Alan Cayetano, sorry.
may I know from the records, is this the first time that the witness mentioned that the Vice President uttered threats against the President, the former Speaker, and the First Lady?
Your Honor, if I may, there was
Because if
no
it's the-
mention at all.
No, yes.
Sorry, apologies.
No, because if it's the first time, precisely the rule says that you cannot allow leading questions. Whether it's from the judges, whether it's from the presiding officer, or from the defense, or the... So meaning, you lay the basis. Simply, you ask him, ano yung laman ng video? Pag binanggit na niya na may ganito sa laman ng video, then you can ask him na directly what part. So all of us want to expedite it, but let's follow the rules. So that's why I'm asking, has this witness this afternoon, I missed a portion because I have a headache and I had to eat before I drink medicine, but I was watching sa TV. But hindi ko pa narinig na sinabi niya to. Kasi kung hindi pa niya sinabi, Mr. Presiding Officer, can we just follow the rules and just lay the basis, ask him kung ano laman ng video, let him testify, tapos pag binanggit niya, then you can ask him, hindi na siya leading. But we shouldn't really ask leading questions because we'll violate the rules. So excuse me, but I'll just be very particular when it comes to the rules, and it's not against any group. Mr.
Senator
Presiding
Judge
Officer.
Cayetano, it will take some time before we can quote-unquote appeal to the records. I'm trying to have them get it. But in lieu of that, that's why the chair tried to intervene. Can counsel kindly lay the basis?
Okay.
the witness to be able to identify the timestamp portions of the 2-hour
All
video.
right, Your Honor.
Counsel for the prosecutors may proceed.
This will be quick. Mr. Witness, you said that your office conducted an investigation on the statement made by the Vice President dated November 23, 2024, correct?
Objection, Your Honor. Leading.
Your Honor,
Your Honor, he's not on direct. He's
I think daw, kung alam ko kung ano, kung bakit anong kino-complain nito nung abogado ni VP Sara. Actually, hindi siya leading, misleading sa totoo lang ang ano niya. Kasi ang sinasabi nitong abogado nila Luistro, sa side nila Luistro, ang question niya, kailan ba, anong part ng video nag-utter si VP Sara, napapatayin niya sila BBM, ang asawa niya, at saka si Martin Romualdez. Which is ito yung tanong ng nung kampo nila kampo nila Luistro. Which is I think ang kino-complain nito ni Kuya, abogado ni VP Sara is kasi alam natin, napanood natin yung video, 'di ba? Napanood natin yung video which is ang sabi doon ni VP Sara, pag pinapatay nila ako, pag namatay ako dahil gusto kong ipapatay nila BBM ng grupo niya, patayin niyo rin sila BBM. So nag-hire na siya ng isang tao na papatay kina BBM in case mamatay man siya dahil pinapatay siya. So ito yung foundation na sa tingin ko gustong ipunto nung kampo ni VP Sara na hey, wala naman siyang sinabi na ipapapatay niya. Ang sabi ni VP Sara, pag ako pinapatay, ipapapatay ko din kayo. Tama? Ang question kasi nitong abogado nila Luistro, sa nila Luistro is kailan, anong part, anong time nung video nakalagay doon na ipapapatay ni VP Sara yung sila Marcos, yung asawa niya, at saka si Romualdez, which is tingin ko kung ni-revise ni other lawyer, niligutan yung questions. Ligutan yung pangalan ng abogado ng kabila. Kung ni-revise yung question, siguro kung ni-revise niya na kailan doon sa part ng video sinabi na VP Sara na pag pinapatay siya ay ipapapatay niya rin si BBM. I think that would be a fair question and I think hindi na magrereklamo to. Sa tingin ko Kaya lagi siya nag-o-object kasi dahil nga doon sa dahil hindi kompleto yung walang base na foundation yung sinasabi na yung tanong ng ligutan. Walang direct na salmatan ng mga tao. Ang lumalabas ay inutos ni VP Sara. Nag-hire si VP Sara ng killer para ipapatay si BBM at saka si asawa niya, si Lisa Marcos, at saka si Martin Romualdez. Pero hindi niya sinasabi na kung mamamatay si VP Sara ay nag-hire na siya ng papatay din, gaganti. Which is yun yung basis kung bakit nasabi ni VP Sara yun. Okay? Okay, tuloy tayo.
Overruled. Witness may answer.
Yes, sir.
Now, tanong, ano ba exactly yung sinabi ng Vice President nung araw na yan, November 23, 2024?
Objection, Your Honor.
Well,
Vague.
I'm not yet done.
Your Honor, the pauses of the prosecution are very
Kindly
confusing.
let the counsel for the prosecutors finish his question
Precisely,
before you
Your Honor.
object.
May I
Counsel
ask
for the prosecutor
also
may proceed.
May I ask, instead of this, Your Honor, may I ask that the Honorable Court direct the witness to allow me to object before answering? Because
No.
precisely the questioning of the prosecutor
Okay, what?
allowed is there are many pauses, which it's confusing if he's done or not.
Counsel, witness even on occasion forgot what the question was because he did not respond to the question of the prosecutor.
Yes, Your Honor. So I just
Court will
may-
make sure of that.
Thank you, Your Honor.
So kindly finish your question if
Yes,
you want
so-
to state it again, counsel for the prosecutors.
Maybe it's the tone. No? I'll be quick. What particular statements of the Vice President on that day did you investigate?
objection, Your Honor. Vague.
Your Honor, please.
Take counsel for respondent, a bit of patience. Let
Ma mahusay itong ano, magaling mga sar itong ano, ang lakas ng trip nitong abogado ni VP Sara, hindi talaga hindi talaga papatalo ng ano to, basta-basta, hindi papahuli hindi papahuli ng buhay itong ano to, ganong katindi itong abogado ni VP Sara.
the counsel
Yes.
finish. I don't think he's finished.
The question is done. What particular statement on that day did you investigate? How is that leading?
Objection, Your Honor. Vague.
Okay,
Not
Your Honor.
leading.
Your Honor, please. Can I
didn't
address
say
to that,
leading.
Your Honor, please? Can I?
What was
Whether-
counsel, what's the basis of the objection?
Vague.
All right. I will
It's a 2
indulge.
hour
Your Honor, please.
36
I will
26
indulge,
minute
Your Honor,
video, Your
please.
Honor.
I will indulge. I will add these two phrases. It will never
Okay.
be that. Now, Mr. Witness, what statements did the Vice President utter on that day, if any?
Your Honor, same objection. There's a 2 hour 26 minute. What?
Let the
does he
witness
mean?
answer.
Counsel, this 2 hour and so minute video was done on the same day.
Yes, correct, Your Honor. But the question must be given with particularity.
If the witness knows, witness may answer.
Answer.
Witness will please answer.
Can I refer for my notes to identify the exact statement because I might said a statement that's not part of
Palabas na kasi
the
yung
actual
video.
statement.
Signing officer will allow the witness to refer to his notes to refresh his memory. Go ahead, Mr. Witness.
Siguro no kung si Gatchalian yung nandiyan, hindi na siguro alam ang gagawin nito. Hindi siguro tataranta siguro si Gatchalian kung siya yung presiding officer. Buti lang ito si Escudero. Anyway, may experience na rin kasi at saka abogado. Tsaka kita naman natin kung pag magsalita si Escudero, tuloy-tuloy talaga. Is mahusay naman talaga kung tutuusin. Yun nga lang, according sa Constitution, according to the rules, hindi talaga dapat siya yung nandyan, which is yung Senate President talaga. Anyway, andyan na yan. So, panindi, na tayong magagawa, panindigan na yan.
The specific statement, quote and quote, "Yes, huwag kang mag-alala ma'am sa security ko kasi may kinausap na ako na tao. Sinabi ko sa kanya, kapag pinatay ako, patayin mo si BBM, si Lisa."
Yes. Dapat nga, ito dapat yung the way kung paano nag-ask ng question yung abogado, si Ligutan, na very specific yung question na sinasabi niya. Hindi siya leading, hindi misleading. Kasi pag sinabi mo, kasi ang question na, again, kagaya ng sinabi ko kanina, pag ang tanong mo kasi is, anong part ng video sinabi ni si VP Sara na papatayin niya si BBM? Diba? Papatayin niya si Lisa Marcos, papatayin niya si Martin Romualdez. Anong part ng video na nag-hire si VP Sara ng killer? Which is, kung titingnan natin, pag marinig ng mga taong bayan, ay, si VP Sara nag-hire ng killer para patayin si BBM. Yun agad ang tatatak sa isip ng mga tao. Pero kung ni-revise mo yung question, sinabi mo na kung papatayin ako, nag-hire na ako ng mga taong papatay din sa kanila para gumante. I think kung ganun yung yung the way nung pag-treat ng question, pag-deliver ng question, I think hindi na mag-object.
Araneta at si Martin Romualdez. No joke, no joke. Nagbilin na ako, ma'am. Pag namatay ako, sabi ko, huwag kang tumigil hanggat di mo sila mapatay. Hanggat di mo sila mapatay sila. And then he said yes.
Please proceed, counsel.
Thank you. Now, in what particular portion of that video recording that you authenticated of that online media briefing on November 23, 2024, did the Vice President utter those words?
If I may, sir, I think we should include the question first.
Kita mo? Kita nyo? Hindi na dahil sinabi na nitong witness na yung buong kwento kung bakit nagawa ni VP Sara yun, kung bakit niya nagawa magbanta. Nasabi na nitong witness. Yung story. Kita mo, hindi na nag-object hindi na nag-object. Kasi at least kapapano malinaw yung questions, hindi misleading yung question. Sa mga mata ng mga tao, kasi kung ano mo talaga, kung hindi mo alam yung kwento, sasabihin lang ng abogado is sa mata ng mga tao is ay, nag-hire talaga si VP Sara ng killer para patayin yung tatlo.
It start at 1 hour and 15 minutes to 1 hour 17 minutes and 18 seconds, sir.
Your Honor, so the witness manifested as an answer to the question in what portion he said, timestamps 1 hour 15 minutes 0 second to 1 hour 17 minutes 18 seconds, and we computed, Your Honor, please, it's a 2-minute 18-second portion of that video. At this juncture, Your Honor, please, bases have been laid. The nation can finally see it. The court will do. We move that's 2-minute and 18-second portion of that video be presented at this juncture, Your Honor, please.
The Secretariat is instructed to
O, kita mo? Kita nyo? Hindi na siya nag-object. Wala nang objection doon sa Ewan ko lang nga, baka magkamali ako. Pero doon sa part na yon, since na lay down na yung foundation, kung bakit nasabi ni VP Sara yon, wala na siyang objection. Kasi yun lang naman talaga yung niya eh. Kasi yung tanong ng kasi is leading at saka misleading. Yun ang problema. Kaya siya lagi nag-o-object. Okay? Gets natin?
play the USB given to the tech behind that was observed and witnessed by both counsels for the parties. Sorted. Kindly play the video.
Vice President, thank you so
Wala
much nga po
Wala
para
nang
sa dala
objection.
niyong kopya nung
Ganun lang.
hearing na pumunta kayo for PRRD. Kami yung nasa likod niyo po, yung tinawag nilang bastos kasi pumalaki Congresswoman.
Kindly pause it. Kindly pause it. Ganyan ba talaga?
Your Honor, please, Your Honor, please, the witness said that he would like to include the question propounded to the Vice
Okay lang.
President.
So, ganyan nga. Hindi nalalagyan yan.
Tama.
Ganyan talaga yan.
Kasi, kailangan kasing masabi rin kung ano yung dahilan, kung ano yung questions para makita natin yung buong picture. Kung ano yung nangyari doon sa situation na yon, kung ano yung questions na sumagot si VP Sara, bakit niya nasabi yung bagay na yon. Yun lang naman eh. Yung isa kasi yung siligutan kasi pinapalala yung pinapalala yung sitwasyon. Actually, sa totoo lang na itong video na to matagal na tong nandyan sa matagal na tong nangyari as mga isang taon na rin. Mag-isang taon na rin siguro. 'Di ba? Alam na rin natin to. So, I mean, ewan ko, bakit daw ito pinagtatalunan?
Or it will get bigger?
It will get bigger, Your Honor, please.
Okay, please proceed.
Yan. Thank you, ma'am. Nakakain kami. Ako po ay natatakot kumain ng pagkain doon baka mamaya. Ma'am, mag-iingat po kayo. Nasa teritoryo kayo ng kalaban.
Okay lang
Nag-aalala po
po,
kami
ma'am, kasi sila naman sila talaga yung bastos eh. You reap what you sow.
Yeah. Mag-iingat po kayo kasi sa dinami-rami po ng inyong mga pasabog ngayong gabi, it seems like marami po talaga kayong alam about them, no? Dahil sa pagkakasama niyo sa kanila during the campaign and during the 2022 elections. Baka po mamaya kasi totoo yung mga naririnig namin or yung, I don't know if it's true, na meron daw silang Operation Romanovs and baka bala kayong ubusin ang inyong pamilya dahil hadlang kayo sa kanilang mga balaki in the future. So mag-iingat po kayo. Kami po kasi kami ng EDSA Friday crew, kami yung bumababa every Friday dyan sa EDSA because we believe yan yung tamang venue sa dinami-rami na ng problema natin. Ang kaya lang naman po namin gawin ay manawagan na bumaba na yan. Eh ano po kaya ang remedy naman ninyong mga nasa posisyon or ng mga kayang labanan itong napakarami na pong ginagawang korupsyon at krimen laban sa taong bayan? Ano po ang pwede nyo maging remedy para matapos na ito, lalo't nagsisigaw na po ang taong bayan na mag-people power na?
Yes. Huwag kang mag-alala, ma'am, sa security ko. Kasi may kinausap na ako na tao.
Ayan kasi yun, no? Yung sasabi nilang Romanov, ito yung parang may nagtatangka sa buhay sa buhay nila VP Sara at saka sa family niya na uubusin sila. So ito yung sinasabi nung nagtatanong si Maui. Sabihan na mag-ingat ka kasi may mga naririnig kami na ganito na yun nga yung yung Romanov ba yun na ipapatay yung family nila kasi sila yung hadlang dito sa diyan sa kina BBM at saka kina Martin Romualdez. Yun yung basis na question. Yun yung question. Sorry.
Sabi ko sa kanya, kapag pinatay ako, patayin mo si BBM, si Lisa Araneta, at si Martin Romualdez. No joke. No joke. Nagdilin na ako, ma'am. Pag namatay ako, sabi ko, huwag ka tumigil
Which is yun yung pinaka sabi natin pinaka foundation nung pagbabanta ni VP Sara na pag pinatay ako. Ngayon, hindi naman tayo abogado, pero ngayon doon sa sa statement na yon, pag sinabi niyang pag pinatay ako, ipaghiganti mo ako. Yung doon. Ang tanong, may kaso ba yon? Impeachable offense ba yon? Ngayon, ang magdi-decide na ngayon is yung taong bayan at saka itong mga senator judges. So, ayan yung tingnan natin.
hanggang hindi mo mapatay sila. And then he said yes.
That's the end of that 2-minute and 18-second portion of the video, Your Honor, please. Pwede ba kita magpadayon? Can we continue?
Counsel may continue, may proceed.
Now, Mr. Witness, what relation, if any, does that video that you viewed with the video you mentioned earlier, the Vice President uttering that statement?
It is the portion of the video that I authenticated.
Kita mo na yung uttering the statement. Hindi na yung, iniba na yung wala na siyang objection. Sabi na kasi dati, what part of the video did the Vice President hire an assassin to kill? So, yun lang naman. Mali kasi ang tanong. Kaya nag-o-object yung kabila.
sir.
Okay. Let's continue. What happened next, Mr. Witness, kung meron man, after mong ma-authenticate yung subject video na yan?
Our team conducted an open source investigation to identify previous statement of the Vice President that had similarities to the November 23, 2024 video, sir.
Okay. Now,
Actually, ano naman 'to, hindi naman gano'n ka-ano yung ano na 'to, yung topic nila, yung pinag-uusapan nila 'no. Siguro hanggang dito na lang muna yung video ko. Kasi, like I said kanina, yung nangyaring ito is matagal nang nangyari yan. Andiyan na yan, kalat na sa social media yan. Sinabi naman talaga ng ni VP Sara yun. Totoo naman yun. Ngayon napagtalunan lang nila dito, authentication, kailan nangyari, bakit niya nagawa yun, o yung mga ano, yung detalye lang, yung minor details dun sa ano, minor details regarding dun sa mga nangyaring yun, at saka siguro yung ano pa, yung ibang mga ano na mga nasabi ni VP Sara pag pag may mga interview, halimbawa ganyan, pupugutan niya ng gusto niya mapugutan ng ulo si ano, si BBM. Ito mga to matagal na yan, nasa social media, nasabi na yan. So, para sa akin hindi na siya gano'n ka-interesting kasi mostly ng Pilipino alam na yan. Alam na nangyaring ito. Alam na ang istorya. Okay? So, ayun. Hanggang dito na lang muna yung video natin. Again, tingnan natin kung may mga exciting pang mangyayari. And then gawa ulit tayo ng panibagong video. Komentan natin. Okay. Ganun ulit. Mga kababayan, kung parehas tayo ng mga paniniwala, parehas tayo ng prinsipyo, parehas tayo ng pinaglalaban, please like and subscribe para mapalago pa natin ang ating channel, mas umabot sa mga maraming Pilipino ang video natin ito. Magagawa pa tayo ng marami pang video. Ayun, maraming salamat. Ingat, magandang gabi.